Overview of trading DOT USDT. Trading style, spot. Time frame, midterm. Margin mode, isolated. Signal type, swing trade. Target time frame, about a month between TPs. Entry point, 9.608 to 10.741. Take profit targets. Target 1, 12.899. Target 2, 15.028. Target 3, 16.763. Target 4, 18.449. Target 5, 22.212. Stop loss. Stop level, 5.814. Important note, remember to move your stop loss to your entry or previous take profit after each achieved target. This helps protect profits and limit losses if the market turns against you. Entry recommendation: enter after a pullback. Allocate 2 to 3% of your investment for spot trading to maximize participation while effectively managing risks. Disclaimer: this analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. Do your own research and use a proper risk management strategy before making any trades. There is no guarantee of success in cryptocurrency trading, and you may lose all or part of your investment.